captain's log is it? Good morning! That was a sucky night. It rained, and my tent completely filled up with water. My rainfly didn't work. Michael got a little bit of rain in his, but other than that, he stayed dry. My sleeping pad is completely soaked. My clothes are completely soaked. And my tent is soaked. So, my rainfly failed miserably. We're cooking breakfast. We have to carry the kayaks a quarter of the mile over Allagash Falls. And then we have to drag them to the town of Allagash, because supposedly the water level is really low. But since it's rained, we're hoping we won't have to carry them that far. So, there you go. Michael, do you have anything to add?
Nope.
No bears? No moose? Other than that, it was a pretty good night, I guess.